Namaskar. Yesterday we launched the Study with Sudhir app and I'm extremely thankful and grateful to so many students who responded with a lot of enthusiasm, positivity and cheer. Thank you very much. There is also some negativity और मुझे मालूम था होगी भी from about 8 to 10% of the students. The main criticism was that the content was not made free of cost. Did the sharp words affect me? मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा, it affected me. I'm a sensitive person. I don't have a very thick skin. It affected, especially when it came from students for who you do a lot of things with a lot of honesty, sincerity, and a lot of dedication. Last 24 hours, I've been telling me, Sudhir, it's okay. But then when you read some of the comments, they're very hurtful. And then you wonder कि कहाँ से ये 14, 15, 16, 17 साल के students, from where do they kind of cultivate so much of harshness, because some of the comments were really very hurtful. And then you wonder whether it's even worth it. Let me address the point straight away, और first time बोलूँगा please video last तक देखें. Don't see the first 2 minutes and jump to a conclusion. Last 17 months, since October 2019, I have been giving content free of cost on the Study with Sudhir YouTube channel. Not a paisa has been charged from any of the students. Last year, 2020 batch, we did the revision videos free of cost for civics, for history, for English language, and for English literature. This is for all those people who say that, अरे इस batch पहला batch है 2021 free करना चाहिए था. Next year 2022 also batch will say the same thing, right? Normally I don't speak about such things, but today I think I want to. I must have got about 100, and I'm not exaggerating, close to 100 Instagram DM, emails, phone calls to join not one, not two, but 3 of the biggest education platforms in the country. 3 of the biggest education platforms in the country, and if the idea was to really make money, that would have been very easy. And mind you, the monetary offers were not so bad. पैसा काफ़ी देने का ऑफर कर रहे थे, but I have been committed to Study with Sudhir. यहाँ free platform पर भी I try my best. It's not possible to reply to every comment, but I try my best to reply to as many comments as possible to clarify doubts. I have been a mentor, and आप 2020 batch के students से खास तौर पर पूछ सकते हैं. I have been a mentor to so many students. Telegram channel I started for this batch only so that students don't have to spend money buying those expensive pre-board examination papers that you get online, so that I can crowdsource it and send it to a large number of students. Why would I do that if the intention was to make money, as some of you are charging me with? मुझे उससे क्या फायदा है? I just want to say this, अगर पैसा ही कमाना होता तो I would not have got into teaching at all. I am not a teacher by training. मैं teaching के एरिया में लाइन में आता है नहीं. I believe I'm a good communicator. I use my communication skills to establish a connect with the students, and that I think is my strength. There are many more ways of making good money. I can write more political columns than I do right now to make money. I remember last year when I did a live session on Spark Live on English language and literature, we charged a sum of 149 rupees because obviously I was using another platform. और 149 rupees में तो पिज्जा भी नहीं आता है, नहीं? But उस समय पर भी there were comments like, अरे ये तो greedy हो गया है. And I realized it's not about the amount. Students do not want to spend money. Anybody does not want to spend even that 10 rupees. Now the same crowd wants to reduce the rating of the Study with Sudhir app on Play Store by giving 1 star, giving 2 star. To all those people, I would only say this, that India is a free country. Please feel free to do what makes you happy. अगर आपको किसी को hurt करने से खुशी मिलती है तो please go ahead. Someone who is been trying his best to help you guys. If you think by giving him his app and downgrading his app to a 3 star or 2 star आपको उससे खुशी मिलती है, so please make yourself happy. All I would say is that it is not going to stop me from continuing to help students in an honest way, in a sincere way, in a dedicated manner. उस पर आप 1 स्टार दीजिए, 2 स्टार दीजिए, उसको आप स्टॉप नहीं कर पाएंगे. I will continue to work hard. I will continue to teach in the most honest and sincere manner. That you cannot take away. That power you cannot take away from me. समझे आप? And as I always say, God bless you. I really want God to bless you. जिंदगी में पॉजिटिव इंटेंट होना बहुत जरूरी है. And I say this a lot in my community posts. My daughter tells me, why do you keep giving this gyan? Because I really believe as a citizen of this country, it is my job, it is my responsibility to ensure that the next generation of Indian citizens are equally good at heart, good human beings and responsible citizens. I think it is my civic responsibility to tell the right things. I always believe that it is very important to say and do the right things in life. It's very important. Today I'll tell you why I moved into the app space. Of course, there were some very well-meaning friends who had suggested this to me. And this particular app is developed by Class Plus, which is one of the best in the country. In fact, not one of the best, it is the best in the country. And thousands of educators are on their platform. 3 reasons. I'd requested some months ago, I'd given my Paytm number and I said, please contribute, because I wanted to use that money to help needy children, people who are children who are not financially well off, and also to kind of upgrade the whatever production quality with which we produce the videos out here. 3 people put money. 3 people. One parent from Pune, and I'm extremely thankful to her, and 2 other people. 2 people, I don't know whether they are students or non-students, they posted messages saying, bhik kyun mang raha hai? And put 2 rupees and 3 rupees. One person put 2 rupees and one person put 3 rupees. All I want to say is, I think it's very insulting, very humiliating. I'm a self-respecting man. I teach, and I think that's a big thing. I teach. So to all those people, all I would say is that it reflects on you, not on me. I'm extremely proud. Point number 2, I'm extremely proud of the content that I put out here on StudyViz. So did you know it for a fact that 57 schools in the country, and I've got the precise figure, I've got the entire list, 57 schools, 57 schools पूरे देश में, पूरे भारत में StudyViz सुधीर का कंटेंट अपने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में प्ले आउट करते हैं या अपने क्लासरूम में प्ले आउट करते हैं. From English literature to history to civics to English language and geography, मेरे वीडियोस प्ले आउट होते हैं. Do you think even one school management thought कि okay, let's contribute something to this guy? And some of these schools are the biggest in the country, financially very well off. I've seen their websites. And I've got screenshots, I've got messages from students who have told me about it. That's why I have the list of 57 schools. I've got messages from private tuition teachers, private tutors, who have written to me saying that वो मेरे वीडियोस देखते हैं, उसमें से नोट्स लिख के अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है मुझे. I have absolutely no problems with that. But do you think I get even 1 paisa from either the school or any of these private tutors? No. The answer is no. So you will go to a school and pay those hefty fees where you will also be seeing my videos. You will go to a private tuition and pay private tuition teacher and pay him or her hefty tuition fee and study my content, my original content. लेकिन StudyViz सुधीर ने एक नॉमिनल फी पूछ लिया. When StudyViz सुधीर asked for a nominal fee, सुधीर सर को डाउन करो, सुधीर सर को बुरा कहो, सुधीर सर को गाली दो. वाह. Do you think it's even fair? Initially, when I started out StudyViz Sudhir in October 2019, I had put out notes just for that 1 month before I found out, through a student of course, कि मथुरा में कोई व्यक्ति उन नोट्स को बेचकर पैसा बना रहा था. And that's when I stopped putting it in the description box. I make my own notes. Last week, one student had asked me about Horse and Two Goats. She asked me, sir, from which reference which book have you referred for these notes? I said, these are my own notes. I'm a postgraduate in English literature and political science. I know the knack of analyzing and explaining a poem or a story or an essay or whatever. मुझे उतनी समझ है. I'm qualified to do that. And I must also say this, whenever I've had problems with any particular poem, I don't look at this guidebook or that guidebook. I either look at British websites or mostly I reach out to my teachers, my professors in Delhi University from where I studied. And they have been extremely kind and explained it to me whenever I have reached out to them for help. Why I'm telling you this is to tell you that that's the kind of effort that goes in. इस बुक से निकाल के पढ़ना कोई भी कर लेगा, but that's not what we do here on Study with Sudhir. Only with regard to history, I stick to the textbook because students here are obsessed with the scope of the syllabus. कि scope से बाहर एक alphabet नहीं पढ़ना. Okay. तो इसलिए history को लेकर मैं textbook पे stick करता हूँ. Third point, many of you think also that YouTube is a lot of money. अरे ये तो बहुत पैसा बनाता होगा, इतने सारे ads आते हैं. Sir, you do not understand how YouTube works. This is not like television कि इतने ads आए तो television channel को इतना पैसा मिलेगा. It does not work like that. आप किसी भी YouTuber के साथ जाके पूछ लीजिए जिनको कि आप जानते हो and ask him or her कि how much do 10,000 views, 1 lakh views, how much do they translate to? It's peanuts, and in this COVID year, even though my watch time has gone up, my revenue has come down. It's peanuts. Peanuts. I repeat, it's peanuts. It's next to nothing. For the amount of effort that goes in, it's next to nothing unless you have views going in lakhs and lakhs in every video. That's not the case on Study with Sudhir. Now to come to the main point. A fee is charged because there is a cost incurred on producing these videos, the time that is spent, the effort, the camera, the editing, the app. And when these things are given free, even adults like me do not realize its full value. हिस्ट्री सिविक्स के सेंचुरी बैच को 999 रुपीज़ पे क्यों प्राइस किया गया? इसका मेन कारण ये था कि व्हेन आई वाज राइटिंग द नोट्स, व्हेन आई वाज रिकॉर्डिंग द वीडियोस, व्हेन आई वाज एडिटिंग द वीडियोस, आई नो एग्जैक्टली द क्वालिटी दैट आई एम गिविंग. और 2020 बैच को जो क्वालिटी दिया था मैंने और 2021 बैच को जो मैं क्वालिटी दे रहा हूं, इसमें जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. आई नो एग्जैक्टली बिकॉज इट्स मी हु इज डूइंग इट. It's not about the money, for heaven's sake, at the end of the day. And if I give it for free, uska value nahi rahega. That is why a price is put so that you get students who are sincere. And we are saying, I know the knack of scoring 100 on 100. मुझे मालूम है वो फॉर्मूला कि जिससे आपके थ्योरी पेपर में 80 में से 80 मार्क आ सकते हैं हिस्ट्री सिविक्स को लेकर. और कल को हम इंग्लिश लिटरेचर का करेंगे. इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में हाउ टू स्कोर ए 100% और हाउ टू स्कोर इन द हाई 90s इन द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पेपर. It's a commitment that I make if you follow the revision videos and the notes with sincerity and honesty. Will all the batches be priced similarly? That's another question that is asked. No, I never said that. It depends entirely on the course content. Some could be charged at $4.99, some could be $5.99, some could be even 5 rupees or 10 rupees courses. Depends entirely on what is being provided to the student because we want to get sincere students. मुझे मालूम है फ्री कोर्सेज में, फ्री लाइव सेशंस में किस तरह की मस्ती चलती है, वो मुझे भी मालूम है बाबा. I said this in my last video and I'll say it again. मैं YouTube पे भी कभी बोलता नहीं हूँ, कई सारे महीनों से बोलता नहीं हूँ मैं कि सब्सक्राइब करो. Similarly, if you don't think it is of value, do not enroll. But आपको अगर you want to get that 100 on 100, I do believe I can help you with that. That's all I'm saying. कोई जबरदस्ती नहीं है कि आपको आना ही पड़ेगा. I'm not saying anything of the sort. Okay? But yes, all I would say is that I'm extremely confident about the quality of my product. Very confident. This morning I got 2 nice messages that kind of made me feel a little better. From a student called Arpan Jain जो कि 2020 बैच का था. उन्होंने मुझे लिखा कि उनके हिस्ट्री सिविक्स में 100 में से 100 आए, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में 100 में से 100 है, एंड ही वाज जस्ट राइटिंग ए थैंक यू मेल, एंड आई एम thankful to him for having said that. There is a student from Sri Lanka, Johan Pereira, who wrote that, he's really helped by the videos that we have put on English literature. I get so many messages from students who have moved from a 50 in the pre-boards, from one pre-board to the other to a 70, 74. Last year, they moved from a 60 to an 80 as far as the pre-boards to boards journey was concerned. That itself is a source of so much happiness. No money on earth can replace the happiness that you get from these kind of messages. Trust me. More so when parents write to me. And in fact, I know many of the parents by name. Many of the parents by name. And I'm very grateful for the affection and the respect that they've shown. Because at the end of the day, there has to be basic respect. मैं मुकेश अंबानी या गौतम अडानी नहीं हूँ. मेरी स्कूटी में, और मैं स्कूटी चलाता हूँ, मेरी स्कूटी में पेट्रोल भरना हो तो मेरे को भी 95 रुपीज़ या 97 रुपीज़ पेट्रोल खर्चना पड़ता है पर लीटर, है ना. गैस सिलेंडर जो मेरे घर पे आता है उसका भी दाम 850 रुपये है. एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर पीपल एट योर होम इन योर फैमिली डू नॉट वर्क विदाउट अ सैलरी, नॉर वुड यू वर्क विदाउट अ सैलरी व्हेन यू गेट अ जॉब 8-10 years from now, right? I'm not given to being emotional and speaking like this, so आज के लिए काफ़ी है. Thank you very much. God bless you.